The reason why I'm doing this, why I had to open this new Gmail, is because some people already have Gmail account, but for their YouTube channel they want to create a new one. They want to start like fresh. They don't want to use that Gmail. They want to create a new one for YouTube. So we are going to create a new channel right away. This is just a normal Gmail that you can use to watch videos and the rest. So it's not yet a channel. So what we are going to do now is you click on this place here, and as you can see, it says picture, change your photo or take a new one, name hiwvto, handle at hiwvto. So for this YouTube channel, I'm not going to use my name. I want to change my name, so I'll be using grow with Ivy. Grow with Ivy. So this will be my YouTube channel's name. And then for the handle, I'm going to use Ivy Special. Ivy Special. 1 2 3. Then I'll save it. So for the photo, you can as well choose any photo you want. Once you click on it, it will take you to your gallery. You select any photo that you want and you put it there. Do you understand? So you can go to your gallery and look for any photo, or you can use your camera to snap. So guys, that is that for that. So we are going to click on create channel. Click on it. We just created a YouTube channel. As you can see, this is it. Grow with Ivy at Ivy Special. So once I start posting videos now, they will appear here, and that is that. This place, you just need to, you see the date, joined 27th February 2024. If you want to upload the photo, see this pencil icon, click on it, and this is your channel settings. You can change your profile picture here. Click on this and you look for your profile picture that you'll be using. Then for this other side, this is your banner, YouTube banner. When you click on this place, you choose a photo that you've already edited using Canva. So I mostly use Canva to edit this. So you go to Canva and type YouTube banner. So different templates will come out, and then you select the one and you do some editing, then you post it here. So that is that for that. For the description, you just write what your channel will be all about. So just write what your channel will be all about. Let them know like that. And then for privacy, it says keep all my subscription private. So your subscription, that is anybody that you subscribe to their channel. So YouTube should not show it to other people. That is what they mean here. But if you don't want them to keep it private, you have to click this place and off it. So once you subscribe to anybody's channel, people will be able to see it. Do you understand? But I want YouTube to keep my subscriptions private, so I'll just click on it. They should keep it private. So this is the first step. As time goes on, guys, I'm going to show you how you can customize your YouTube channel using the YouTube studio and the desktop site. I'm going to teach you how to also do some stuff there apart from this. But with this, you are good to go. You can start posting your videos. As time goes on, guys, we are going to go deeper. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question to ask, you can ask me on the comment section. I will surely reply your message. And so, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to share. I see you guys in my next video. Bye.